Hey guys, so today we are looking into slope-intercept format equations. For example, this question asks us to determine if two equations have a slope that is parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So simply the way to remember what each slope looks like is that parallel slopes are the same. This symbolism of parallel shows that the lines are the same. So I like to remember it that way. Perpendicular slopes are opposite reciprocal, meaning that they are opposite signs and flipped versions of each other. For example, the opposite reciprocal for a half is -2/1, or simply -2. So we know that our slope for the first equation is -2x. And by rearranging our second equation into y equals mx plus b form, we can determine if this slope will be parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So dividing both sides by -3, we get y by itself. And now we divide 6 by -3, which is -2x, and 15 by -3, which is -5. So since we have one equation whose slope is -2 and our second equation whose slope is also -2, these two slopes are parallel. They are the same. Our second question is asking us to write an equation that passes through the point -2, -8, and is perpendicular to the equation 2x plus 3y equals -12. Okay, so we must first figure out what our slope is with our equation given to us. We have to rearrange this given equation because it should be in y equals mx plus b format. So by subtracting both sides by -2x to get 3y by itself, we will have now 3y equals -2x minus 12. Now we divide both sides by 3 to get y by itself. -2 divided by 3 is -2/3, and -12 divided by 3 is -4. So we know that our slope is -2/3 x. Now since our slope for the next equation must be perpendicular this new slope must be positive 3 over 2. Now we use our formula given a point and a slope to find our slope-intercept formula. So y minus y1, which is negative 8, equals 3 over 2 multiplied by x minus 1. X minus x1, which is negative 2. And using our calculator, we can simplify this to y equals 3 over 2x minus 5. This is our equation that is perpendicular to the given equation. Our next question is asking us to determine if our two given equations are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. We must first rearrange each equation into y equals mx plus b format to see what our slopes are. So with 3x plus 4y equals 4, we will subtract both sides by 3x to get y by itself. But 4y must be y by itself. So we will divide both sides by 4. So now negative 3x divided by 4 is negative 3/4 x. And 4 divided by 4 is just 1. And for our second equation, we will subtract 4x on both sides to get 3y by itself. But 3y must be y by itself. So we will divide both sides by 3. Now, negative 4x divided by 3 is negative 4 over 3x. And negative 21 divided by 3 is negative 7. This might trick you. Negative 3/4 and negative 4 over 3 is not a perpendicular slope. A perpendicular slope must be opposite reciprocal, like we covered in the beginning. These both are negatives and not opposites. Therefore, our choice is neither. Thanks so much for watching. I record videos to educate on algebra and geometry, and I'd also like to record explanations for chemistry. And if you'd like to see this, please let me know. My Twitter is linked in the description.